Okay, we're going to my car. Me and this guy just got finished doing the put some new exhaust in it. Sorry, this is gonna be a bad video. I don't feel like using photography skills. Alright. Let's see if we can prop up this. Get a little look or whatever. Oh, fuck. Alright, and what I did, oh shit, whatever. What I did was we cut off the resonator and the exhaust. We put a Y-pipe connecting the original pipes to the muffler. And this is the Flowmaster 40 original seating. There you go. It probably sounds really shitty to y'all, but hey, whatever.